This style is so unique, straightforward, easy to tie, and you can rock it absolutely to anywhere. So that makes me love it so much that I can never get tired of it. After giving a lot of oriki to this style, let me show you the steps you are going to use in tying it. You see, the first step is to, when I was describing, you can see what I did. I pleated a little bit part, then used my band to grab it up. Now it's time for me to work with the little excess I have. I'll arrange it as I've started arranging from beginning, direct it towards my braid at the back and roll everything round neatly. Emphasis on neatly. You don't want to do this side very rough, it's gonna show and spoil this whole process. Now this is the final outlook. You can see I added a broad to beautify. That makes it more beautiful and make it more eye-catching. So if you want to try this out, those are the things you need. I know if you'll be trying this out.